Imagine this. Have a good indicator to know when the price is gonna change of direction and you catch that opportunity and trade. Follow that simple direction and make a few dollars with Forex binary options. Right now, I'm gonna show you when or where is a good opportunity to trade. Let's rock with this video. Hey, welcome to the Next Way Trading. On this video, I'm gonna share with you a good indicator to know when or where of what direction we need to take it, the next signal, the next trade. Exists a good indicator for this, and the name of this indicator is the stochastic oscillator. And the idea for this indicator is exactly that. Know where the charts are touching the maximum or the minimum and have a change of direction and trade. It's nothing complicated at all. It's simple, it's easy, and using indicators is going to help you to know when or where is going to be a good moment to trade. This is a day trader strategy. It's a simple strategy. Many of you can use it and you're gonna have a good results if you follow these simple steps I'm gonna share with you right now. I started using this strategy for a long time ago and always get a great results. The idea of this channel is share with you strategies and you take it the better option for you. This is gonna be a short video, but I think you're gonna learn something really good here. Okay, the first thing we are gonna see the charts in short periods. Works in different time frames. Okay, if you want to trade with binary options, works in short periods and in different time frames to trade. For example, this is in 1 minute charts. You can trade for 5 minutes in maximum if you want to see the charts in 1 minute. Okay. How works this strategy and how writable can be using this strategy? The stochastic oscillator is always telling me when the charts touch the maximum and when it's gonna change the direction and taking that advantage for us and to be writable with our trades. Let's go check it out, the last example here, and we need to see different patterns to know when or where is a good moment to trade. Okay, the chart's always gonna show me good enters to take it, but not all we need to take it. To be writable in Forex, we need to have a few steps to know when or where to start, and for that reason, we are gonna see the candle, how looks the candle, and if the stochastic oscillator touch my maximums. For example, in this case, the stochastic oscillator crossing is above of this line here. You need to configure the periods do you prefer to use in this strategy. A crossing right here, but in the moment the crossing, where is it? But in the moment the crossing, we need to pay attention with that type of candle we have. We need to know they have a resistance right here, and this candle telling me something is gonna happen. Something is gonna happen. So I have the first signal here. It's crossed at my stochastic oscillator. So we are gonna wait and have this candle here. My opportunity to trade is this one or this one. See? Okay, if you want to trade using this strategy with binary options, you need to trade for 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. What's in the money, right? If you want to trade with Forex, this is a short trade. It's scalping trades. You are going to need to take it 10 pips, 15 pips maximum, right? Why? Because if you want to use this strategy with Forex, I recommend you only using follow the trend. You remember you can add to the 200 moving average to know what type of trend you have. And there you can have more pips with this strategy, okay? Another good example is this one here. We have this beauty candle here. It's telling me we have a stronger resistance here. We can trade here or trade here. Put attention to how to move the moving average too. If it changes the direction to going up and start going down. So you can trade here, here, or here. Doesn't matter. In this case, you see this one. Wait for this one. What happened? Looks green, but the next candle happened this, and we decided to take it for a put for 5 minutes for binary options. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 in the money. Simple strategy for this, right? If you want to trade with Forex, 10 pips, here is more than 10 or 15 pips. Another example, let's say I have the same pattern here. Show me a resistance, yes, but never touch my stochastic oscillator. Could be a good trade, but my advice is don't take it. Another example here, have a resistance and we trade for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I don't take in this one, I see later, or this enter here or here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and still have in the money for 5 minutes with this strategy. In breakup, see it? It's totally break up the structure of this. I think if you want to use in this strategy, you can have lovely results in your trades. Let's go check it out for a call signals. This one here. Let's go to check it out for this. I think with this is confusing because we have this one here, a fake opportunity. We need to wait. I think I cross it here and we trade, I don't know, crossing with this one, right? See the same pattern here for a call, right here. So we can enter here or here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and still have in the money. Risky, but we still have in the money. Let's say I have another trade here. Remember, I told you always put attention how looks the moving average red. Okay, in this case is red. Cross it, have a stronger here and telling me something is gonna happen, but have a resistance here for a call. Okay. So we have two different patterns of candles here. For me, I don't take in this signal. It can be confusing and can continue with the downtrend. So for me, I need to wait. Let's go to analyze what happened here. Always, like I say, it's crossing, have a little resistance, have a green candle, but here break up and never have that candle telling me have a resistance. So for this, we don't take any trade here. You need to put attention to the candles too to be writable with this strategy. Let's go to find another example. This another example. This is a good one actually. Okay. Start crossing here. See, crossing with this one. Have a green candle. Have another red candle, and maybe if you take it here, you can have it in the money. The good signal is this one here. This one here, because all this you see here was in a good time a red candle, but changes so higher our direction of the candle. So this is a good opportunity for me to take it for a call. So I enter here or here maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and still have in the money. And if you trade with Forex, you can have easily weigh 10 pips, 15 pips, and you can move your stop loss or your take profit in simple ways and simple methods with this turbo strategy for beginners. This is a good way to learn how to trade with the stochastic oscillator. On this video, just explain how to work the stochastic oscillator, but I'm gonna make more videos using this strategy and trade with you. So I hope this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, activate the notification bell, smash, and see you in the next video.